What's good, YouTube? In today's video, I'm coming back at you with 3 more $20,000 loans that you guys can get pre-approved for very easy with a low credit score. I see you guys are really messing with the $20,000 loans, guys, so I decided to come back at you with 3 more that you can get easily approved for. And guys, you can see it, proof in the pudding right here. I did get approved through this one, the first one that I'm going to be going over with you, and these are the terms, guys. So we have the 3 years for $645 a month with a 10% interest rate and 11.99% APR, loan $20,000, and the original fee is negative $568, guys. So total deposit amount is $19,432, and for the 5-year option, guys, we have $437 a month with 11.26 interest and a 12.99 APR. And as you can see, the original fee $68, and the deposit amount was $19,232. So you can see that information, proof in the pudding. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same and get $20,000 so that you can start up your small business or just have some money to invest with and whatever you're trying to do. So stay tuned for more after the intro. Whoop! And guys, before we start this video, don't forget to check out the links in the description where I do provide coaching calls where you can get an online consultation with me, one-on-one phone call. And guys, you can start your online business, you can start your trucking business, how to build your credit the fast way, and even you can learn trading, guys. And I do offer all these videos over on the channel. And don't forget to check out the YouTube memberships for investment tips exclusively for you with no ads, no promo, and no fluff, man. So let's get right into this video and let's get into the 3 loans that we have to go over today. And the first one would have to be BestEgg, guys. So with BestEgg, they do have personal loans. They have all personal loans, debt consolidation, credit card refinancing, pretty much everything you need over here on BestEgg. They also have credit cards as well. So we're here to talk about the personal loans, guys. So you can view your offers, you put your email in, they'll send you all types of offers and stuff like that. And with this one, you can get loans up to $50,000. So they do have low fixed APRs. So let's get into this, guys, right here. So let's go ahead and view your offers. You'll put in your email address. And over on BestEgg, guys, you can easily explore your options, then you will apply, and then you will get your offers. So with this website, guys, they do have a bunch of different things. Let's go to all of the personal loans right here, and they just have a loan for every lifestyle types of personal loans. They have debt consolidation loans, credit card refinancing, home improvement, moving expenses, major purchases, and just everything that you need, guys. And you're only 3 steps away. And that is the first one with BestEgg. This is the one that I got approved for in only 24 hours, guys. So this is pretty easy to get started with. They do have financial health, so you can learn about financials, how your credit works, and all of that. And if you do need to learn how to boost your credit the fast way, we do have plenty of videos in the channel teaching you exactly what you need to know so that you can have a higher credit score. But this is the first one, BestEgg, guys. I'm not going to go into the technicals. I'm not going to put my email in again and all of that. But as you guys can see from the beginning, we got approved. I showed you the rates. Now on to the second one, guys. And for the second one, we do have OneMain Financial. So with OneMain Financial, they have pretty straightforward as well. They have credit cards, personal loans. Let's go to this personal loans right here. And as you can see, they have loan amounts from $1,500 to $20,000. Okay, so the lowest you can get is, $700, $1,500, and then you can get all the way up to $20,000 long terms from 2 to 4 years, guys. And if you don't, actually, that's 5 years, 60 months, 5 years. And if you don't know by now, you can get approved more easily for a loan if you pick a higher term, because that means that you have more time to pay it back. It means that your payment is going to be less so that you can easily pay it back, and the bank likes it to see that you're getting higher terms so that they can charge you for more interest. So it's pretty much a win-win. You're paying less per month and the bank is getting more money out of you. But yeah, guys, they have fixed rates ranging from 18% to 35%. And yeah, guys, you can begin your path. All you have to do is press this online button right here and you just put in your information and get started. But besides that, let's go to this personal loan calculator so that you can see what you're working with, guys. And let's say that you're trying to get $15,000 to start up that new shop that you're trying to start up, whatever shop that it is. We're gonna do the APY at about APR, my fault, at, let's go 18%. That's the regular. And then as you can see, guys, these are the months right here, and this would be your prices that you will be paying each month. So if you did 24 months, you'll be paying $800, but if you did 5 years, guys, you'll be paying half that price. So it's pretty self-explanatory. Let's go to a higher number. Let's go to a lower number, because some of you guys might not get approved for this $15,000. Let's just do $7,000 at 18%, because that's about the average what they're going to be charging you APR. And as you can see, $400 a month for 24 months and $200 a month for 60 months. So yes, guys, this is how you can get some, see what you're working with. And yeah, guys, they also have car purchase loans, debt consolidation, emergency loans, auto refinance, medical loans, anything you need, guys, all over here. They even have wedding loans. Look at that. They have wedding loans. So they have pool loans, everything for your house, your personal life, and even, funeral loans for your dad. So yeah. So on to the third one, guys, the third and final one. But before we get into this, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like this video so this video can get pushed out to many others, guys, so many others can learn how to make this money the easy way, because this is Black Investor Group, where we do teach you how to make the money the easiest way possible. And I'm teaching you right here 3 loans that you can get the easiest way possible, guys. All you have to do is go to these websites and press apply and see what you're eligible to get. So on to the third one, we do have Avon. Now I did go over Avon in one of my previous videos, and guys, they have credit cards, they have the MLS credit card, and they have the loans as well. So if you want to get to know Avon, guys, you can just go right here. You can see what they're all about. A short little history. It was founded in 2012, so they're over 10 years old, so it's very trustworthy. They home base Chicago, Illinois, all that information if you really care about that. But what we're trying to get to, guys, is these loans up here. So they have debt consolidation, emergency loans, home improvement loans, and installment loans. So installment loans is pretty much your regular personal loan. It's regular direct deposit loan, fast funds, predictable payments, and the personal touch. So let's just go right here to check your loan options and see what pops up. Hopefully we don't have to put in too much information. But also, guys, I do want to go over with you another way that you can easily get approved for loans. So one way is, after you fill out all this information, guys, you want to come and pay attention to this right here. Income type, which is going to be your income type is going to be always employed, even if you are self-employed, guys, or even if you don't work at all, or even if you have any of this, or if you are a business owner, or just anything, you always want to put employed, guys, salary / wages. So this lets the lender know that you are working, making consistent money. Because if you were self-employed, even if you're in real estate or whatever you think your industry might be good in, there can always be a possibility of inconsistent money, and that's what the lenders see. So when they see that you're making a salary, they see that you're making consistent money, and you're able to pay them back. So after you put employed, or job or whatever, you want to go to how much money you make monthly. So some will ask you monthly, some will ask you annually, but most of it is monthly. So when you go to monthly, let's just say you make $48,000 a year, right? That means you make $4,000 a month, close to $4,000 a month. So if you make $4,000 a month and you have nothing else going for yourself, you don't do anything else for a little bit of side income, not even selling a piece of candy to a homeless person, not just playing. But if you don't make any other type of side income, guys, then you would still want to document that you are, you know what I'm saying? Because how are they gonna know? It's untaxed income. So what your net income would be per month, would say you make $4,000 a month, you want to put you make $4,500 a month, okay? Because this means you want to put your projected net income, okay? So let's say you make $4,000 a month, but you're going to say sell a car next month, so you're gonna make $4,500. So you just want to put the projected. Now they see that you make a little bit more money. If they need to see that you need some proof, guys, and you do give them your bank statements or some pay stubs, they will see that you're making $4,000, but you could put that you're making an extra $500 a month, and other income, side hustle, or anything that you do. And yeah, guys, this is pretty much how you can get approved more, based off of the term, how long your term is going to be, and based off of your income, your monthly income. They want to see that you're making 3 times over what you're trying to get approved for. So let's say you're trying to get approved for $10,000, and let's say pay it back in 5 months, something off the wall. So that's, $2,000 a month. If they see that you're having to pay $2,000 a month, you need to at least be making $6K a month or $5K a month, and then you will get approved for whatever loan you're trying to get. So that is how the banks and lenders look at yourself, look at your information to see or not if you're going to get pre-qualified. So not only we just went over these BestEgg, we have OneMain Financial, and we also have Avon. Not only I just went over these 3 lenders that will give you up to $20,000, but I also just taught you some free game on how to get approved more easily, and so how you can get rejected less, guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, don't forget to hit that like button, and my name is KINGLATTA. Until tomorrow, we out. Ooh.
You talking money